Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this problem using the determinant formula for area of a triangle. As per the problem, a triangle has vertices 2, -6, 5, 4 and k, 4. If its area is 35 square units, k is, we are given 4 answer choices. We have to choose the correct answer choice. Let's start by writing the formula for finding area of a triangle using determinants. The formula is A equals 1 over 2 times the absolute value of determinant of matrix x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. In this formula, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the coordinates of the three vertices of the triangle. We use the absolute value of the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix to calculate the area because area cannot be negative. So if we get a negative value for the determinant of this matrix, we ignore the negative sign to calculate the area of the triangle. In this problem, we are given the area of the triangle. We have to find the value of k, which is the x-coordinate of vertex k, 4. So in this type of problem, in which we are given the area of the triangle and we have to find the unknown coordinate of a vertex of the triangle, we should analyze both positive and negative cases for the value of the determinant we get for the 3 by 3 matrix. So for this type of problem, we can change the area formula to A equals plus minus 1 over 2 times the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. The first step is to evaluate the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. We are given the vertices 2, -6, 5, 4, k, 4. Let's assume vertex 2, -6 is x1, y1, 5, 4 is x2, y2, and k, 4 is x3, y3. We can use any of the three given vertices as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. We can use these values to evaluate the determinant of the matrix. We can sub in the values. We can use cofactor expansion along the first row to find the determinant. The first element in the first row is 2 times the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix 4, 1, 4, 1 minus the second element in the first row -6 times the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix 5, 1, k1 plus the third element in the first row 1 times the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix 5, 4, k4. Now we can evaluate the determinants for these 2 by 2 matrices. For the first one we do 4 times 1 minus 4 times 1 minus -6 is equivalent to plus 6 times, then we do 5 times 1 minus k times 1 and for the third 2 by 2 matrix we do 5 times 4 minus k times 4 Now we can simplify the terms. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. K times 1 is K. 5 times 4 is 20. K times 4 is 4K. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 2 times 0 is 0. So that term goes away. We can distribute 6 into the parentheses and 1 into the parentheses. I get 30 minus 6K plus 20 minus 4K. We can combine the like terms. 30 plus 20 is 50. Negative 6K minus 4K is equal to negative 10K. This is the value of the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. We can use this value in the area formula. We are given that the area is 35 square units. So we can replace A with 35 on the left side. This is the equation we get. We can analyze the positive and negative cases separately. The positive case is 35 equals 1 over 2 times 50 minus 10K. And the negative case is 35 equals negative 1 over 2 times 50 minus 10K. Let's start by finding the value of K for the positive case. We should distribute 1 over 2 into the parentheses. Half times 50 is 25 and half times negative 10 is negative 5. We can isolate K on the right side by subtracting 25 from both sides. I get 10 equals negative 5K. Next we can divide both sides by negative 5. I get negative 2 equals K, or K is equal to negative 2. Now we can analyze the negative case. We should distribute negative half into the parentheses. Negative half times 50 is equal to negative 25, and negative half times negative 10 is equal to positive 5. We can isolate K on the right side by adding 25 to both sides. I get 60 equals 5K. Next, we can divide both sides by 5. I get K equals 12. So there are two possible values of K, negative 2 and 12. So the answer should be option B. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.